Rishabh Dev, and then I said that Ajit Nath, and then Chandraprabha, and then I said yes Pushpadanta, and then I said that Nemi Nath, and then the last two are Parshvanath and then Mahavira, carved during this. First Shwetambar Jaina image is none from Akota, Gujarat. First Shwetambar Jain. What is the meaning of Shwetambar? Having white flag? Yes or not? And I said that first Shwetambar Jaina. Kahan pe? Yes, tell me. Where is the Akota? Understood? Clear? So I said that first Shwetambar Jaina image none for Akota and was also carved in the Gupta period between 10th to 12th century AD. बाद में भी इसको carve किया गया अकोटा में first Jaina Shwetambar. Yes or not? And then it is in the Akota. Yes. ऐसे लोग क्या है कोर्ट में नहीं जाते हैं. श्वेतांबर लोग कोर्ट में नहीं जाएंगे. कौन से लोग कोर्ट में जाएंगे? So I said Akota. Can you remember first Shwetambar Jaina where it is? In Akota. Thereafter I said it is surprising that now let us see that you should know about for it is surprising that erotic figures adorn Jaina sites. Erotic figures के लिए कौन है? खजुराहो टेम्पल and जहाँ पे you have seen Lakshmana temple and then Kandariya Mahadev and then we have seen which one Jain temple it is in Chaurat Yogini. This in this region is famous for it is an erotic figures, but here it is very much surprising that we have an what Jaina have, not Buddhism. Buddhism doesn't have this kind of erotic figures. But I said that erotic figures of Jaina sites like what? Santinath temple at Nadlai. Santinath, कितना शांति मिल रहा है नहीं? Erotic figures से शांति मिल जा रहा है. And then Nadlai and Ajit Nath temple at, मुझे पहले ही से शक था अजीत पे. अजीत, you know that villain and all in Indian. I said that Santinath, Ajit Nath temple at Taranga, जहाँ पे भी रहेगा there will be waves will be there Taranga, and Mehsana Gujarat, and Nemi temple at what? Kumbharia. That is in the Surat. पहले यहाँ देख लें which are the three famous reasons. जहाँ पे you can be able to see erotic figures. Pali district you can be able to see, in the Mehsana district, and then you can be able to see in the Surat. Which are the three regions erotic figures? Yes, Pali, Mehsana, and then Surat. Pali, Mehsana, and then I said that Surat. And then again I said that Pali में हमने क्या देखा? Which I said that? Yes. पाली में which one? कौन से नाथ? कितना शांति है. एंड महान सेना किसके साथ चल रही है? आजकल सारे लोग अजीत बने हुए हैं. I said that Mehsana में तरंगा, and then Santinath temple at Nadlai, Pali, and then Nemi Nath. I said that आजकल जरूरी में नाम जरूरी है. It instead of Surat. Yes or not? Instead of yes, Nemi Nath temple. Where is the Nemi Nath temple? At I said that Kumbharia. I said that और जिसका नाम होता है his कलश. कलश समझते हैं? कुंभ is filled up. Yes or not? और जिसका नाम नहीं होता है I said that his कलश is half filled up. तो हमारे यहाँ कहा जाता है one word is there, little knowledge is always dangerous thing. And those who are filled up, they always try to be in a very shantam. So I said that हमने क्या बोला? कुंभ. नेमी नाथ कुंभ. Can you remember? And नाम से किसी को आप पहचाने, not by the what I said that सूरत. Understood? जब उसके काम है नाम नेमी नाथ कुंभरिया. He is filled with the कुंभ. Can you remember? नेमी नाथ कुंभरिया. And आज के डेट में अजित type of several person outside there, उनकी महान सेना है. Yes or not? And उनकी तरंगे waves are moving in the society. So Ajit Nath Taranga at Taranga in Mehsana. At Taranga in Mehsana, and thereafter I said that Santinath at yes Nadlai. और सबसे ज्यादा शांति का नदी होना चाहिए. एवरीबडी सिट्स एंड दे कैन व्हाट फील वेरी, ऐसे चीजों को पालना चाहिए. शांतिनाथ, पाली डिस्ट्रिक्ट, यू विल सी शांतिनाथ टेम्पल at Nadalai. So again I said that Pali, and now can you say that? Pali. Which temple is there? क्या पालना चाहिए नदी के पास? नदी is like Santinath temple at Nadalai. And which one is Mehsana? आज के डेट में maximum which kind of people? Ajitnath temple. His waves are Taranga. Ajitnath temple at Taranga in Mehsana, Gujarat. एंड देन सूरत में हमने कौन सा देखा? यस टेल मी. नाम होना चाहिए, सूरत नहीं, सूरत ऐसे नेमीनाथ टेम्पल एंड कुंभारिया. आई सेड दैट कुंभारिया. एंड दीज आर फेमस फॉर इरोटिक. तो विच आर शांतिनाथ, अजितनाथ एंड नेमीनाथ. अंडरस्टूड? दीज आर फेमस फॉर इरोटिक फिगर्स इन द Jainas. So we have been able to see where the Jainas architectural features we have seen. In the Gupta's age, I am talking about Gupta's age. Earlier I have talked about IVC and then Mauryas. Understood it? And then after we are talking about Gupta's. And the Gupta's में हमने क्या देखा? Yes, tell me. Mathura. Yes, tell me. Mathura, Varanasi, Kahom, and then Rajgir and Buxar. And thereafter I said Nachna. And then after I said that Vidisha, that is in a Durjanpur. And then I said Akota, Vadodara. Understood it? Here. And then where the erotic figures are there. Where the erotic figures? Yes, Pali, Mehsana and Surat. Pali, Mehsana, Surat. And after that you just codified language you feel it. Pal क्या चाहिए? नदलाई और शांति पालना चाहिए. So I Santinath, Nadalai, at Nadalai in Pali. And thereafter I said Mehsana, Ajitnath at Taranga in Mehsana. And thereafter the next one I said, tell me, Neminath. Yes, Neminath, Kumbharia. And then we have seen Surat. After that we have been able to see South India. And then I said Bagalkot. You must be knowing Badami and Ahiol. And then have seated figures of Mahavira. Understood? Badami and Ahiol has, what is there? Seated figure of Mahavira. Badami and which reason? Aihol. Badami and जिसको बादाम खिलाएगी आई, महावीर सिट होकर क्या करेंगे? खाएंगे ही बादाम. बादाम, you understand that? बिहार वाला बादाम नहीं. And then in Bihar, if you go and ask for badam, they will bring you मूंगफली. Because वहाँ पे लोग मूंगफली को generally they used to say badam. And here you can be able to see, like I said, badam is. So I said that Badami and Ahiol, Bagalkot have seated figures of Mahavira, and Parshvanath images from Badami and Ahiol are some good examples. Understood? So which are the two figures we have seen at the Badami and Ahiol? Mahavira and Parshvanath. And let us go and sound Bahubali, a big monolithic statue of Bahu referred to as Gomteshwara, built by Ganga minister, and I said that commander Raya. Which one I said? Ganga minister Chamunda Raya. And then I said that Chola Ke. And then I said situated on a hilltop at Sarvan Belogola in the Hassan district. At Sarvan Belogola in Hassan. जहाँ पे आपने क्या देखा था? Hoyshaleshwar. Yes, Hoyshaleshwar temple. So Sarvan Belogola, at Sarvan Belogola. तो साउथ में हमने क्या देखा? Yes, tell me. At the Badami and Ahiol, there is what? Mahavira in the seated posture, and thereafter we have seen Parshvanath. And then Hassan district, Halibid, we have seen, yes, Gomteshwara. Yes, so which one I said that? At Sarvan Belogola. Sarvan Belogola is in a place in Hassan district where there is which statue? Gomteshwara. Which statue is there? Understood? This is about, which are the two famous reasons? Bagalkot and Hassan. Bagalkot and Hassan. So it is not in a small way that it is in a sculpture has been there. So much of a sculptural growth of Jainas. And then we have seen like these are the sculptures. And then I said that first Jainas में हमने क्या देखा? Just tell me what we have seen in the Jainas. Jainas sculptures, we have been able to see that it has been able to see in the IVC form of male torso, IVC male torso, and even we have been able to see in the form of, I said that, in the nude male figure in the Lohanipur Patna, and then we have seen Ayodhya also one terracotta same figurine, and then some Parshvanath bronze we have been able to see. But apart of it, we have seen there is in a water Jaina Gupta's Esme if you'll go, that is in a Mauryas, and thereafter in the Gupta's Esme if you'll go, they will be able to see. Yes, tell me, कहाँ पे देखेंगे? मथुरा वाराणसी Kahom, Rajgir, and then Buxar. And after that in MP, which one we will see? Nachna, and Kota. And Kota is famous for first Swetambar Jaina feature is there, has been formed. Understood it? First. And then we have been able to see that there is some, I said that erotic figurines are also there. Which are the erotic figurines? In the Pali district, yes, which one I said that? In Pali district, Santinath temple at in the Pali, and then I said in Mehsana district, I said Ajitnath, and Ajitnath temple I said at Taranga in Mehsana, and thereafter Surat district if you go Nemi Nath, and the Nemi Nath at I said that, tell me, Kumbharia, which one I said that? Kumbharia, Naam Kumbh se bhara hua hai. And then these are the things we have seen, and thereafter in the south we have been able to see where the Jainas, one it is in a Badami and Aiyol, and this is for the Mahavira in the seated form, and then there is an also Parshvanath. And then in the Hassan district we have seen what? At Shravan Belgola there is a, yes, Gomteswara statue. Understood it? And then we have seen, and then now the last one that we are going to see, Buddhist sculpture. Which one I said that? It is acquired. Where is an Abhay Mudra? In which school of sculpture there is an always Abhay Mudra? Mathura. There is always the original. And then three, religious aspects is there, and all the right hand is always in which form? Abhay Mudra. It is acquired a character of its own with the emergence of Gandhara school of sculpture. It is produced Buddhist images of elegant classical kind, and Mathura school also produced in a lifelike images of Buddha, the right hand most in Abhay Mudra. And the narrative art of the Bharut sculpture depicted Jataka, the story of the previous birth. सारा आप लोग को जहाँ पे आपने देखा है, that is an stupa and all. You can say seated Buddha from Sarnath and standing Buddha, I said from the Mathura. उल्टा कर देंगे आप, ठीक है? Change it. Seated Buddha from Mathura and standing Buddha Sarnath. That Buddha's images of Gupta period become the model for future generation. And आपको बताया था the sculpture क्या है? Golden, yes. Mauryan art is what is in a Mauryan time. It is in a golden period for what is in a sculpture. And the images of Bodhisattva and Tara. Who is Tara? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Only I said, raise your hand. Vajrayana, they are worshipping the whom? Tara Devi. Who is worshipping? Tara Devi. Understood? There is the goddess of Vajrayana. And I said that, I said Bodhisattva, images of Bodhisattva, and then we will be able to, Tara were also produced in Nepal and Tibet. Or I have said so many times, and finally I said that, Tibet mein who is there? Which Aina? Which Aina? Vajrayana. Clear? And then southeast Nepal, Nepal कह रहा हूँ, that is Sri Lanka नहीं. Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, this is Thervada. Which one I said that? Thervada. And then eastern side it is, and I said that Mahayana and all. So I said that Buddha images of Gupta period become the model for future generation artists. Images of Bodhisattva and Tara were also produced in the Nepal and तिब्बत. तिब्बत समझ में आ रहा है? तिब्बत में क्यों? Vajrayana has been gone to Tibet. The Pala ruled areas of eastern India from 900 or 850 AD to 1200 AD. And in the 1200 AD, Buddhism finished from India. In 1200 AD, India. And that is in the form of last Vajrayana. What is there? Vikramsena University, and here it is in a which one? It is based on Tantricism. It is based on, I said that magic. Vajrayana is based on what? Magic. And the magic and this magical power can give you what? Kaivalya, Nirvana. They are talking about what is it? If I had to get it, is the power can give you this kind of. So therefore it has been deteriorated. So Pala ruled areas of eastern India in Bihar were one of Bihar and Bengal, one of the last long strongholds of Buddhism in India and for their sculpture. So where the last Buddhist sculpture you can be able to see?